guys, it's SVC Washington 1111. Yep, you guessing it, but bad news. My county is under a local area emergency. Yep. We never get local area emergencies, but look at that, we just did.
44 degrees.
Yeah. Well, that's the part that stinks. And there's no score on the W120, because, it's actually just showing the event codes now. I don't know what the heck why, but...
Maybe you could pick up a couple colors. 1998 with your HSN card tonight. We're counting backwards. I know we're showing 1,500 or so available, but we have over 600 people
It's
on the
not
phone
good, I know.
So
I know.
100. We started off with 4,000, so we're on our way to a sellout here.
But I can't get on TV.
Tonight. Thank you for your
See?
calls, your testimonials.
See, just the LE, local area emergency.
It's a wonderful world to live in, with Iman being your own personal designer.
So, we're on our local area emergency, guys.
Last call in the top 315-768.
She's here watching the 1111.
Dang
Dang it!